So Prime Shoes is an OEM producer and also it's also a shoe upper producer. So if you have any interest to this company, you can go to the showroom. Actually, they have uploaded all the products here, including sandals, men's leather shoes, and also leather upper. So if you continue to scroll down, you can also find the company profile, where you can also find the contact us button. If you have any questions during or after the InTouch, you can always click on contact us button and send your inquiry, including request for quotation. So without delay, I would like to welcome again Mr. Vasan. So Mr. Vasan, why don't you start presenting your another company, Prime Shoes?
Yes. Okay. We go with the presentation of Prime Shoes. I'm just sharing the presentation of Prime Shoes.
Yep. Okay, I can see it. There is some technical question.
Yeah, okay. Now it's done. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. Let me turn on your video first. Please hold a minute.
Okay.
All right, please go ahead.
Okay, right. Prime Shoes, the art of walking and comfort in style. Prime Shoes was incorporated in 2006 to articulately engineering footwear for men and women for exports. Prime Shoes is a sister concern of Blue Diamond Leathers Group. We offer as shoe uppers and full shoes, woven uppers with flat and round corded laces, hand woven shoes, open footwear and sandals, waterproof shoes, and boots. Our list of customers start from Germany, Italy, USA, Portugal, Middle East, and Russia. Gerber, Camel Active, Kickers, Lavoro, Fly London are some of the prestigious customers we work with. We have been working with all our customers for the past 10 years satisfactorily, and thus serves as a testimony for our performance. The footwear business is headed by Mr. Karthik Pandian under the years guidance of Mr. A.K. Pandian. The team is a mix of young talents and experienced seniors with exposure and expertise. Innovation with support of R&D team is our strength. Volume business with quality and timely shipments made possible with our team. We have 3 units to produce shoe uppers, 1 unit for producing full shoes. All our units are totally mechanized with modern machines and technology. We have a capacity of 100,000 pairs of shoe uppers every month and 30,000 pairs of full shoes on a monthly basis. Hand-woven shoes, we can handle about 15,000 pairs per month. We have been awarded the Women Entrepreneurship Award for the year 2017-18 for Best Export Performance on the footwear component sector. This is our company address. For any contact, you can have the email address over here. This is our men's classic shoes. You can have a look of the shoes. There's some of the men's Oxford, Brogue, and that's a wingtip shoe. That's again a wingtip. Brogue. Men's sneakers. That's a casual ankle boot. That's a nice ankle boot with a pull-up leather, crunch leather. That's a winter waterproof boot. That's a vampire boot with a Napa leather. That's an ankle boot with a Napa leather. That's a suede leather, but then again waterproof for the winter boots. This is our specialty again. This is all hand woven lasses made with folded and round laced material. This is again our specialty, wherein we have the hand woven laces coming in over here. That's all leather sandals, and it's all totally with the leather sole. You can see some articulate designs and very nice sandals over here. This is again for the beach sandals and with suede on the footbed and Napa on the upper. And these are some of the leather shoe uppers which we keep producing regularly. And just for information, thank you very much for being with us in Prime Shoes. Now we start promoting our product presentation. These are our leather sole sandals. You can see this collection over here. These are leather sole sandals, and you can see the soles over here. It's all pure leather. It's all 100% leather made sandals over here. And then we have the next collection where we have the soft footbed. This is our specialty where we create a soft footbed for the women to use it over here. You can see the sandals over here. And this is a particular collection where we used Eva for the sole. And then you can again find a very soft bed, and we are using our own brand to promote this particular sandal. And this is a closer look for the beach sandal. You can see the sheep nappa, a nice sheep nappa which can have a good effect. And then you find the footbed made from nice suede, split suede. And this is the hand-woven flat and round laced weaving hand-woven material. And you can see the shoe over here with a leather sole again. And then you can have a zipper at the back, which makes it comfortable for fitting in over here. And then the next is the ballet collection. Again on the weaving, you can see over here. You can see the nice collection over here on the weaving. And again, it's all having a leather sole over here. On the collection of uppers, you can have over here the hand-woven uppers, which you can see over here very clearly. These are different colors we can show over here, and we can have a good collection on this. And these are some of the ankle boot uppers we produce. You can see over here very clearly. This is again on the suedes, on the boat suedes. We have this particular ankle boot and a long boot. Both the varieties are possible over here. That's a nice waxy leather, and coming up with a nice finished look on top of it, and a waxy leather over here. These are nice soft women shoes coming up with crepe sole, and which can be folded totally and taken out from there. That's a very nice comfortable shoe for the women to wear it for the evening, for the party wear. It's a very comfortable shoe as well. These are all with the clocks over here. You can see over here, and then it's a nice evening shoe, and for young girls, it's a nice shoe as such. This is an ankle boot collection we have over here. We have the pull-up leather, which you can see over here, the complete effect of it. And then you have a nappa leather, which you can see over here with a zipper, side zipper around. And this is the waterproof range, what we have done with the suedes. This is a suede waterproof range made especially for our customers in the US and Canada. Here's some of the men's collection, what we have over here. The men's collection, this is again, you can see Oxford, and you can see a Derby. All the soles are TPR over here. Again, you see a wingtip and a broke model for you. This is again a sneaker collection you can find over here with the suede top on the top, and then you find the soles over here. You can see it very nice. These are the ankle boots which is coming in, and you can find with a nice leather over here, which is a pull-up leather and a crunch leather. You can see both the leathers over here. Soft nappa vampire boots over here. You can see the boots from here. It has got a nice heel and a nice construction over here. And then it's on the vampire side, and then a medium boot to suit the young girls around. And this is again our specialty for the winter. We make a waterproof collection. I just want to show you the waterproof on this. Let's see the water, it doesn't get absorbed, it is all staying over here. That is the specialty of us. Thank you very much for being with us for KPN Fashion. Eddie? Eddie, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. We are okay with the KP infection.
Yeah, I'm reading the questions from the audience from the floor. So
Okay.
one of the questions is about, just now you show us that the waterproof treatment of your boot.
Yes.
But there is a gentleman asking whether you can have some finishing on shoes to take care of the COVID-19. How do you answer that?
No, there is nothing as a COVID-19 treatment in the shoes, and generally, the COVID-19 is a epidemic. Okay, and then we does not get into the leather at any time. It requires an active body. Leather is already a dead skin, so nothing can come onto that. Nothing can get affected over there.
So
okay. There's no coating required as such. That's only a myth in the market, and people just creating a fear. Nothing else can be sprayed on that to keep the pandemic away. No, it is not possible. And there's nothing to be done like that. And leather cannot absorb anything because it's already a dead animal. And the virus, for example, to live on anything, it requires an active body which has got a life to it and which has got the protein in it. And then the leather does not have anything. It's a dead animal as it is.
Okay, so the other question is about the sole material you can provide. What kind of sole, what kind of sole component you can make for your boots?
For the boots, we generally use this itself for mainly used for winter, the boots, and then we are mainly using TPR.
So about the leather sole, are you providing leather sole also?
Yeah, we use leather sole for the summer and the early autumn collections. We can have leather sole, and leather sole is our priority, and then it comes under sustainable, and then we use that as sustainable product. We have the leather upper as sustainable, and also the sole as a sustainable sole.
So the sole material is also using your own leather.
Yes, it's also using our own leather. We have a dedicated cannery working with us. The technology is given by us. We give the technology, we give the ideas to them, and we control everything, and then they do it exclusively for us.
So, buyers, if you have any questions, seize the chance to type it in the Q&A box. We'll read that out. So the other question is, a buyer missed the parts. Did you mention anything about the markets you are serving now?
Yeah, so we are already working with the USA. We are working with USA. We are working with Canada. We are working with Germany. We are working with Portugal. And all over Europe, we are serving other cities, and also Russia.
Okay, so let me see if there is any questions from the floor. All right, so I believe that's almost it. So buyers, if you have any more questions, you can go to apf.com, the apf.com showroom of the Prime Shoes, and you can make the online inquiries there and also make an online appointment.